So this student passed his driving test with 7 minor errors. Let me just go through them one by one. One, for again not taking a turn when the other cars were too far and he had time to safely finish a turn and he didn't take it at an intersection. In two occasions he drove too close to parked cars. That's marked down. If you drive way too close, that's an instant fail. But he drove close to the parked cars. He could have gone a bit more to the right to avoid the parked cars, but he drove too close to them in 2 occasions, and 2 marks down for that. And the other one was unnecessarily crossing the solid line while changing lanes. When you change lanes, you need to change lanes from the broken line, not the solid lines. The other one was for changing gear into lower gear, L, instead of D, when driving right at the start. That's a mark down. It can damage your car as well. Maneuver position, when he finished the reversing exercise maneuver, just a straight reverse, he ended up more than a meter away from the curb. That was too far. So I got a mark down for that as well. And for the right turn, in one occasion when he wanted to turn right, 1/3 of his vehicle was on the wrong side of the road. Got too close to the center line and did the right turn. Make sure when you turn right, you get a bit closer to the center line, but you don't pass the center of the road. Eventually passing the test with 7 minor errors.